chemist John Dalton came up with the idea of the atom, which is the makeup of all matter. He thought the matter reaches a point where it cannot be divided anymore. That indivisible particle is the atom. But this idea was just made up of blind guesses without any evidence, so it wasn't very reliable. J. Thomson discovered smaller particles in the atom with a negative charge called electrons. He knew the atom had a neutral charge, so he concluded that the electrons must be moving randomly in a positively charged mass. This model can be visualized as a plum pudding, because the positive mass is like the cake and the electrons the pieces of plum.
Ernest Rutherford discovered the nucleus through the gold foil experiment. The nucleus is where all of the atom's positive charge is found, but most of the atom is empty space. The nucleus is made up of positive and neutral particles called protons and neutrons. Niels Bohr applied mathematical principles to make a more comprehensible model. It shows the electrons in orbits based on their energy levels going around the nucleus. An orbit is just where an electron is more likely to be found, so even if the Bohr model was very precise, the complexity of an atom is still unknown to humans and will probably stay that way. An atomic model is meant to be a visual representation of an atom, and it helps us understand how an atom is more likely to be composed. It's used to examine subparticles of an element.